Welcome, today I'm with OPPO Reno6 5G and I'll show you how you can install iPhone keyboard on this device. The first step is go to the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type here the green Apple keyboard. Tap here. We have to get this application, tap on install and wait a few seconds. Okay, at the moment we can open the application. Here tap on enable in settings, click on the switcher, tap activate, go back, select the switch input methods and just switch this on English United States keyboard. Okay, if you will back for example to the messages, okay, start the chat, no, with this one, and if we'll switch the keyboard we'll see that it's really close to the iPhone keyboard. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.